I started my major for industrial engineering because I like to tinker, I like to make things, so this was right up my alley. I am Joseph Kastner. I'm going to the University of Minnesota Duluth, and I'm majoring in industrial engineering. Working with very fast prototyping tools is great, especially when we're on such a tight time schedule. Gotta get it done by the end of the semester. Once you have an idea, it takes 9-8 hours to print it off and see if it works for what you want to use it for.
Our client had a thumb amputation, so he was missing his thumb, and the engineering students from UMD created a 3D printed thumb orthosis to fit over it so that he could grasp things more functionally and get back to the tasks that he enjoys, like carpentry and cooking and things like that, things that are meaningful to him.
This would be just fine.
This would be just fine.
You like this?
Yeah.
My name is Jerry King. I'm a carpenter, and I'm here today because I had lost a thumb using a miter saw. So my whole world has changed. You take it for granted every day, and now that it's gone, it's like, oops, and I gotta think differently. So that's why I'm sitting here today working on prosthesis for my thumb.
Can you have this done by 4?
So when you bend your thumb this way, it's going to put tension because
That'll make that.
yeah, it'll pull it in, and then you'll be able to hopefully tie shoes, pick up nails.
It takes to get these fully fabricated.
It's really cool to see different disciplines and different majors working together. You know, you wouldn't expect a healthcare professional to work with an engineering student. We're used to working with physical therapy, speech therapy, social work, so it's really cool to work with a different major like engineering, especially at a different college.
Because you still have
I'm an engineer.
sensation right there,
I
too.
deal with
It's
wrenches. They
not
deal with
not
people. They're a lot
frustrating.
better at that than I am. I had a lot of initial ideas that they helped rein me in, like that would be damaging to the skin, that wouldn't be comfortable, that wouldn't work long term. So I feel like I definitely had my knowledge expanded by teaming up with, you know, the Scholastic team and then us engineers working together. And it came together to be quite the thing.
Chainsaw.
It's probably recommended to use your other.
So I think the enthusiasm with the both schools working together, that's a pretty neat thing, that they're not just being separated from each other, and they really want to learn together, and that's, I think, is a pretty big deal.
The importance of seeing other people's perspectives. They'll have an idea that I hadn't even thought of, and that seemed to be really important. Being able to brainstorm your own medical device and then try to manufacture it. There's no class for it. It came out of nowhere. Yeah, I got lucky. This was a really fun opportunity.